Hi, I'm Tesha, a first year student at NIAT Chennai. I joined NIAT to learn more about coding, machine learning, generative AI. These are the things I always wanted to try, but never knew where to start. Today I will show you my very first project and how NIAT staff teaches me in a hands-on way. At NIAT, we don't just watch slides, we jump right into coding and building things. One day, I was given a small but real task to build a simple chatbot using Python. The instructor guided me through the basics, explained what I needed to know, and then asked me to write the code, test it, and improve it. So, this is what I have been working on. It's a small chatbot, nothing too fancy, just something that replies when you type messages. At first, I didn't even know where to start, but after a few sessions, I learned how to write Python code. And I wanted to try this. It took a few tries. I kept getting errors at the start, but eventually it worked. Now it responds to simple messages like hello or what's your name. I know it's basic, but building this from scratch really felt very exciting. I never thought I would be able to do this so soon. As many students, even I too thought coding was really complicated. But after trying this little project myself, I feel it's not impossible anymore. You know, it's kind of fun when the code works right. I still have a lot to learn, but now I'm not scared. It's just one step at a time. Write it, test it, fix it, and that's how I'm learning. Let's see what I can build next.